How you can make UUB and gacha online. Also, sorry I didn't make it like yesterday because I was super tired that I couldn't move and I had to sleep. So I said I would do it tomorrow. So here I am. Okay, real hair, 2435. But don't worry, it's all good now. Okay, front hair, 1588. Eyes, eyes too. Sleeves, 1100 and 627. Gloves, 3. Shirt, 1200 and 541. Yeah. Who are you? I get it. Belt, 1200 and 934. I gotta find my eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows 14. Eyebrows 14, there it is. Back hair, 1200 and 490. Shoes, 67. Pants, 9242. Jacket, 4839. Seems like, nope, you're not finished. Face AC1, 2573. I don't really use face. I don't really use this one, the one that has a question mark on top of it. I don't really use the first one because the second one because you guys can use that for emotes and I guess cries with teardrops. Whatever that's in your mind. Okay. I think, yeah, you're finished. Okay, here's the color for that. Back hair, sleeves, shirt, pretty much how you know. Okay, pants, yeah, and yellow, and belt, eyes, yeah, and you guys should know where the mouth is. It's pretty easy, and you're finished.